Hi, so today we've got a 2007, in fact, Ford Transit with the service stroke spanner light on. So we're going to go ahead and reset that after doing a service on it. So we'll switch the ignition off, switch it back on so you've got all the lights on. Then using the brake pedal, depress that fully, depress the accelerator fully. Hold that for 10 to 15 seconds. The spanner lights should then start to flash. Like so. Release both pedals. The light goes out. Cycle the ignition, leave that for a couple of seconds. Switch it back on, restart the engine, and there we go, all reset. Thanks, like and subscribe, thank you.